If you love the trees in your yard, but hate picking up all the sticks, spring's the worst. They're all over the frickin' place. Out here picking sticks for hours, your back's aching. I did that for years. I'd have my kids come out and help me. Their backs are younger than mine, but they'd complain nonstop. And one day I came across a video where someone else was complaining about picking sticks, and he got one of these. They call it a grabber reacher or reacher grabber. They're cheap. You think that they're for old people, and they definitely are, but man, do they make picking sticks a whole lot easier. I got this one off of Amazon. I'll put a link for it down below. You just walk around with your wheelbarrow, no bending over, grabbing your sticks. We liked them so much, we bought 3 more. It's a pretty good tool. The head rotates, right there's your vertical. Pull it out. If you like to pick sticks that way a little bit better. I think I like it vertical myself. It also folds. I don't really see the point in that. I mean, I guess if you, I don't know, take it to the beach, use it to pick up seashells or something. These things are cheap. And man, do they make these chores so much better. Nothing to it. The only thing is, occasionally, your hand gets tired. So you got to switch to the other hand, but that's all right. You can work on the ambidextrous skills. Oh, by the way, welcome to Worth the Squeeze. That's my channel where I test stuff, and sometimes I'll be investing my time, sometimes my money, or sometimes just my effort, my sweat, and I'll tell you whether or not that thing was worth the squeeze. These, for as cheap as they are, is worth the squeeze. I believe the brand on these are Rewkey. I think that's R-E-W-K-C-Y. And I believe this is a 32 inch, and I think they got a 34 inch too, if you're a really tall guy. I'm 5'11", they seem pretty good for me. They work well for the kids, for my wife. Here in a second, I'll tell you something else that's really improved my yard work over the years. See if you can guess what that is. I'll give you a hint. It's in the picture right now. It's in the frame. Well, that's a root that ain't gonna pick up. Look at this big one back here. We'll see if you can see it. See that? It'll pick up some pretty big stuff. No problem. All right, I'll have a link to these down below. If you want to use my link to get them, that'd be great. Help me keep doing videos. All right, now the other thing that's made working outside so much more enjoyable for me, did you guess what it is? I love this hat. It's a Barmah, B-A-R-M-A-H. I also got this on Amazon a couple of years back. If it's still available, I'll put the link down there for it as well. Very comfortable. Now let's be honest, I just feel like I look cool in it. Maybe it's an old guy thing, you gotta get a wide brim hat, I don't know. Or maybe it's growing up watching Indiana Jones. I don't know, I like it. Anyhow, thanks for watching my video. This is worth the squeeze. This is worth the squeeze. The hat's not really cheap, but I think it'll last you years and years and years, and it's comfy. It's worth the squeeze. Appreciate it. Subscribe.